Hi, good morning everybody. I wanted to do a quick video to get everybody back on the same page as far as the weekly education plan. And this goes for any Google Doc. We want to go first to neaheadstart.com. We want to sign in with your username and password. I'm using one of the accounts we don't use very often, so it's going to be a little bit closer to what you guys use. And when I scroll down here to where my email is, and that's really going to get us into the bulk of the system. Up here in the upper left hand corner is really where you need to go. And what we're going to do is go right to our documents section of NEA Head Start. You can see down here every document that I ever created is still here. We're going to go to the weekly education plan. If you look up here, you can see that the only tab I have is file. And I really can't edit any of the fields. So what I have to do is make a copy of it. When I make a copy, what I need to do is make it specific to my classroom and center. So you want to put in your center information, your classroom information, the date. If not, everybody has the same thing as this copy of Weekly Education Plan. And that doesn't really work very well. When I do that, you can see that it immediately changes, and now I have a lot more tabs, and I can edit right into any field. So now I can customize this to whatever I need to do. If you look at the top, you can see that it's been renamed, and it's a different document. So once we've filled it out, we want to go over here, and our next thing is to share it with people. We have two choices in sharing. We can collaborate with people, or we can view. If we collaborate with people, that means that they can edit exactly the same document. It's like passing a piece of paper around, and if anybody makes a change, well, then it's on everybody's piece of paper. A viewer, what that means, if you set somebody up as a viewer, means that they can only look at the document, just like that document was originally shared with you as a view only. And for them to make changes, they have to make a copy of it. Well, you might want to collaborate with your boss or somebody like that, but if you were going to share this with other people, perhaps you just want to view it. Now remember, when you collaborate, anybody who's on there can make a change. And you can see over here on the right hand side, we can have both viewers and collaborators on the same document. The little pop-up that you see is just a little email message that goes out to the person that tells them that they're now sharing that document. You can see I can delete people or add people just like that. Now if I go back to my docs home, which is what we call it, I have to do a little refresh here, and there's my new document. I can open that back up, I can make copies of it, I can do whatever I need to do. So a little quick tutorial